Hey guys, Kay and Maris here, and today we are going in the woods. We're just gonna go for a little walk. You guys asked for it, and I deliver. Let's go. So yeah, I used to go in these woods all the time with my grandfather. There's actually a bear den over there. We fought it once. I ain't gonna fight. We went salmon fishing over there. If you look at this, it's a baby fern tree. This turn into that someday. It's the beauty of life, people. There's a spider web right there. I just walked through it. See that butterfly? Super rare. Monarchus butterflyinaceus. Only found in New York State. And we're in Michigan. Oh, I love nature! Woo! This is a salmon lake I was telling you guys about. Just picture me, fishing line, cast it out, reeling the salmon. We eat that stuff for dinner. You guys don't understand. Right here. That's a spider. No, wait. Guys, that's a scorpion. Scorpion! Nature pro. That's a moose. The wind blows this way. See, evergreen trees, right? These little green things, they're edible. They're good. We have to go. Meese. The plural of moose. They don't like being looked at. I don't know where we're at. All these trees look the same. If you listen close enough, you can hear the whistle of the Hunger Games. We call that a mockingjay. Okay, I lied, guys. My grandma nor my grandpa, neither of them took me into the woods, man. I've never been in the woods, man. Guys, you hear that? It's human civilization. We're saved, baby. I can have McDonald's another day. I know that animal. That's a car. Yes. Guys, we found it. There's our camp. We made it. Now all we have to do is swim in this pond. Yo, go. This shit good. Okay. So I was just walking in the woods, right? But this walk turned into me getting lost. It's deer season, guys. I'm not helping my deer hunting case. I've never been here before. You know, my mama always said, if you're lost, you find a tree and you hug it. I don't see how this is gonna get me found. My mama always said it. Hey guys, Kay and Maris. Hey guys, Kay and Maris.
Okay.
Hey guys, Kay and Maris here.
We just gotta be like having fun for a little bit, and then I'll add in that clip where you're just like,
Oh, pine cone fight.
wait. You gotta like pretend like you've like, you know what you're doing. Like we're I'm like you're like a nature guy.
All right, here. This is called grass. You can only find that in these woods.
One second. I just walked right through that prickle bush.
You guys don't understand.
I love how, wait, you know what I find funny? Wait, I didn't get that. You're gonna have to redo that. You know what I find funny? Right when you were walking away, a white butterfly flew by.
Super rare, only found in New York State.
All right. What is that? Oh, it's a tree. Now we'll do the lost part. Now we should probably head back, because I don't know
This way.
Where it is further.
Guys, that's a scorpion.
Start screaming and run away. Okay.
Scorpion!
Dude, it's actually on you. Like, you actually knocked it down. Yeah, let's go this way.
So good!
Ow!
Guys, we found it! Now we just have to swim across this lake.
Wait, what? No, you good. No, wait, I gotta point it up and you're like, now all you gotta do is swim across this lake. And I can be like, wait, what? And you gotta be like, what?
Okay.
I gotta cut it off.
Alright, guys. There's our camp.
Pond.
Now all we have to do is swim in this pond.
Oh my god! Alright.
Wait, that's on your side. Ethan is under the table. Day 2 in the woods.
No, you gotta be like upset about it.
Day 2 in the woods. Still lost. I don't know where to go. Finally stopped hugging that tree. Got me nowhere, mama. Whoa. Looks like that spider caught a human.
Not gonna get the joke.
I don't know how else to say it. That spider caught a human.
Wait. Don't you can't laugh, you just gotta be like,
That spider caught a human. That's not a spider web. Guys, we found the meese. Guys, we found moose tracks. The meese are following us. I knew I shouldn't have looked at that moose. Ah!
you'd be like, nah man, I don't want a pine cone fight today. Wait.
No, man. I don't want to fight. I don't want to fight today. We gotta conserve our energy. So actually, if you look over there, see those tree branches? Those are called tree eyelashes. And the trees use them to get the wind out of their eyes. The more you know. That's a tree's asshole. Through the eyelashes. Trees don't blink. Stupid trees. Ah! The trees fight back. Just get a finger shot. Nature Man Kayin here. And this is my super cool nature house. See, we can just go inside. We sleep in here. It's good. Hey guys, it's Nature Man Kayin here. And today I made myself a house so we can go inside and... Ah! Did you guys see that? All part of the plan! We just escaped a moose. That's how you do it. You gotta run and you gotta fall. Then the moose will pity you and it'll leave. Yeah.
We're on an adventure.
Woo! 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 Golf carts are awesome.
That way. Downhill. Whoa! Oh, he did it! Woo!
Hey, watch the tree, dude. I'm so dumb like it. I'm all good at it. I'm so pretty.